So what's up, you guys? I am back with another video. Today I'm finally going to do the Doordash video. I forgot to record the first part, but I'll show you guys again. Right now I'm currently waiting for an order, and right now I'm at a surcharge of $6. So $6 plus your regular rate that you would get for the order, and that's what you get. So the things that you need to know is that you have to be 18, you have to have your license, and you have to have a car. And the license has to be valid. So that's pretty much all the requirements that they ask you for DoorDash. I also do Postmates. Postmates, it's a little bit different, but that's for another video. If you want me to do a video on Postmates, I will do a video on Postmates for you guys. But in the meantime, we're talking about DoorDash, and I'm currently on an order downtown. I'm sitting in my car so that they don't like give me a ticket or anything, because I am just kind of like parked in a place, because downtown parking is horrible. So yeah, I decided to come downtown because where I was at, it was full, and that's my fault because I should have just reserve my spot, but whatever, that's for another time. Now, what I mean to say by reserve my spot, you basically just schedule a time frame that you want to work. So whatever time frame works for you, that's what you put. That's what I mean by reserving your time. But in the meantime, I'm currently on an order. I will screenshot it and put it up. Actually, no, I'm not going to screenshot it and put it up. I'm just going to show you how to how I accept orders, how I get them, and what I make on a typical day. Now, most times I do go out. This is a lunchtime. Again, it's 12:30, so it's in the afternoon. It's on a Friday, so this is going to be a busy day. So guys, I have another order, and I accepted it already. Now we're just gonna put in where I'm going, and it's not that far away. So we're on our way, guys. Enjoy this corny song because I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just gonna sing this song as we go along. Just enjoy it, guys. Just enjoy. This is what they wanted, so I placed the order at the window. And this is what they ordered, and yeah, after this we're going to be on our way, guys. I'm at the drive-through. I decided to give me something to eat here instead of going back to the house, because yeah, I'm just hungry. Once you've left the restaurant, all you need to do is hit directions. It'll have the name of the person and their address, and it'll incorporate into your maps. Once you get to the place where the food needs to be dropped off, all you have to do is drop the food off, come back to the car, and hit slide that you have arrived, and go to your next order, and then you'll be done with it. I forgot to tell you guys that I literally didn't even go 3 miles, and I made $6.57. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a like, a comment, a share. If you want to know my code, it will be down in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick, short, and simple. It was actually shorter. I'm going to try to make it a little longer. But I love you guys, and I hope you have a good day.